We are at the Hidden Springs Water Treatment Facility. We treat between 2 to 3 million gallons of drinking water a day. We have a design capacity of about 8 million. So on average, we're feeding water to about 8,000 to 9,000 people who trust us for using their drinking water every day. When this plant was built in the 80s, it was just tray aeration and there's high amounts of hydrogen sulfide in the water. So we had to contact Pinnacle and TetraTech to pilot an ozone study to use ozone to take care of the hydrogen sulfide instead of the regular tray aeration like we have been.
At TetraTech, we're a leading provider of engineering and consulting services, not only in the United States, but also worldwide. For our pilot system at Orange County's Hidden Springs Water Supply Facility, our goal of this study, one, is to reduce hydrogen sulfide concentrations, and the other is to reduce TOC levels. We used a combination of ozone and a few different other processes to study some of the water here. And Pinnacle was one of the leading providers of ozone pilots. So our relationship with them has helped run a smooth and steady pilot.
The purpose of the pilot is to enhance the water quality. So it's really important that they have not only a good engineering firm like TetraTech, but also Pinnacles, and they can provide them not only hardware, but process control and process chemistry. So with Pinnacle systems, what we can do is we are providing ozone systems, and we are ozonating the water to change that water quality in such a way that's very consistent. In this pilot study, what they're doing is they're mimicking what would be a scaled system at a small scale that's affordable. So going through the ozone, removing the hydrogen sulfide through the ozone chemistry, and then filtering that water through the pilot system here to figure out what's the best way of doing that. And this is extremely important because then you can prove that the process works, and then you can scale it up to a size that's appropriate for this plant.
Throughout our 7-month study with Pinnacle, their pilot itself has run very smoothly. There's a lot of moving parts in a pilot, especially an ozone pilot, and having a system that we know will run consistently day in and day out is one of the biggest factors. Also, the professionalism that they have, their staff is extremely knowledgeable in their systems, and they're available practically any time that we needed our questions answered.
Trust is incredibly important with our vendors and people that we work with. They have been just very thorough. They've been very reliable. We keep in constant contact. Having that level of communication is very helpful.